Hello, it's Sonia, and I'm so excited to show you what you can earn completely free by hosting a Norwex demo in December. So whether you want to do a texting party or an online party or an in-person Zoom, there's so many ways to share Norwex with your friends. And definitely I've found December to be a fabulous month to host because friends like to get together anyway. And it's also a great time to get gifts. And it's a great time to think about using Norwex for holiday cleaning instead of the usual typical, not so good for us cleaning chemicals. Anyway, so this is the Norwex hosting plan. It is insanely generous. This company is so good to their hosts. But I'm a visual person, so I'm gonna bring this to life for you, okay? It's 4 stars, star 1, star 2, 3, and 4. So let's get started with star 1. Star 1 is just simply the number of people who order from your party. So whether they order a spearnet or they order the Just Add Water package, Deluxe Plus, whatever it is, each customer counts as 1. And so once you have at least 3 people purchasing from your party, you, the host, get free shipping. Now I love free shipping, so bonus for that. That 3 guests unlock that. Once you have 5 guests who purchase from your party, you get the Norwex Channel Weave kitchen cloth. Okay, so this is the channel weave with the silver embedded, and this is fabulous for using with just water, wiping out crumbs, wiping the table, the counters, all the things. And then once you have 8 buying guests, you get to add on the matching kitchen towel, again in that graphite channel weave, silver embedded, fabulous BacLock technology. And then once you have 12 or more buying guests, you also get to earn the counter cloths for free. Now, we have found that these counter cloths are amazing at replacing our paper towels. We very rarely buy paper towels anymore. Now, the cool thing about the hosting plan is it's cumulative. So you're gonna get all of those for just star number 1. Now, star number 2 is one of my favorite. It doesn't get a whole lot of real estate on this page, but I'm telling you, I love this. So this is based on your total party sales. Now, when you have, we're always aiming to help you have a $1,000 party because you get to scoop up tons of free Norwex that way. So let's just say, for instance, you had a $1,000 party, then you are at the 12% mark, and so you would have 120 to spend on all the other items that you want for your home. Or if you have a $2,000 party, then this would be double, 240. And if you have a $3,000 party, or no, 220, excuse me, bad math, $3,000 party, 340. I think I'm doing my math right. But anyway, so it's cumulative. Now, at $750 and above is where it flips from 10% to 12%. So always shoot to have that. That's good. And the 10% is from $250 up to $749.99. Okay, star number 3. When you host, you're going to find it's super easy, it's super fun, and it's a great way to let people know about these products so that they can save money and time and help protect their health and our planet, right? So star number 3 is about not only sharing these products with your friends, but giving them the opportunity to get a ton of free Norwex too. So when your first friend who books his or her party date, online or in person or texting, they host they book their party, then you are going to get this beautiful window cloth. Now this is an exclusive hosting window cloth. One side is this beautiful gray, the other side is the amethyst lace pattern, is super pretty. And then when you have 2 friends who book, you get the matching dust mitt, oh, love it, and EnviroCloth and window cloth. So right there, just by having 2 friends who say, yeah, they would also like to host, you've got yourself a free household package. And then when your 3rd friend also says, I'll host, then you, the host, also get the gray EnviroCloth. Okay, we are on to star number 4. Now, star number 4 at the first level is, now for star number 4, it is unlocked by having at least 3 buying guests from your party and at least 1 booking on your party. So when you hit $350 in sales, you're going to get the oven and grill cleaner, which is fabulous, comes with a sprayer, I forgot to grab that. Works great. I like to use it with our spearnets, honestly. That's my favorite with that. And then the degreaser. Now this is a concentrate. I like to mix it up in one of our Norwex Forever spray bottles. I use it in my dishwashing soap recipe and my stain remover recipe. You can use it diluted on its own. You can use it to just clean all sorts of things. So that's at $350. Now once you have $550 in sales, then you unlock the next level, which is the diamond weave kitchen cloth with the red trim. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I love a pop of red in my house. And so I use this one year round. I love it. It is an exclusive though. And this one you'll see is a slightly different weave. Now, what I love about that is you're gonna be able to be trying out the channel weave from star number 1, and then also get to try out the diamond weave to see which one is your favorite. And then also you unlock the matching dish/hand towel. Again, these have the BacLock technology where the micro silver is embedded right into the fibers, which you know is fabulous. At $7.50 in sales with at least 3 buying guests and at least 1 booking. Then, in addition to what I just showed you so far, you get to add on the large counter claws. And those are so pretty and popular. They're not available in the catalog, so they are an exclusive. One is this mushroom color with that little pop of sea mist around it, and the other one is this turquoise with a little pop of mushroom or graphite. I think it's mushroom color, which is just a warm gray, if you're not sure what mushroom is, right? And then the chenille hand towel with the suede top. So this is beautiful. It goes over your oven handle, over your towel rack, so it doesn't get yanked on the floor. It has the silver embedded. Just wash it in the washer, dry it in the dryer, just like our other microfiber. And that's at the $7.50 level. And at the $1,000 level, one of my favorites. So Norwex in their catalog has an entry mat, and it's about maybe like, I don't know, I should have grabbed one, but anyway, it's not this big, but this is the oversized. I promise you, you want one of these at every door. It catches so much and keeps it from coming in on your floors. So if can I show you? Like, this is a very nice size, and you can earn that completely free by hosting in December. So I hope this is helpful. These are the December hosting gifts. If you've been working with a consultant, I'm sure they're taking awesome care of you. If you are looking for a consultant to help you party, whether you want to do, I can help you do a texting party or a virtual party, whatever you want to do. Or if you've been just kind of eyeing Norwex and thinking, maybe I just want to do this, you can host a party and then become a consultant within all that same process. And you can see where that takes you, right? So it's certainly been a huge blessing in my life. Thank you for watching. Super excited for the holiday season coming up, and I would love to party with you and help you scoop up all of these free Norwex items. Thanks, everyone.